Okay. Good afternoon, students. We are now in this clouds part. Phrase and clouds. Your this second chapter it was. So today we have to understand about adjective clause. Adjective clause is such group of words which does the work of an adjective and has its own subject and predicate, that is its finite verb is called an adjective clause. Generally, I have given some sentences for you all to understand. One sentence is given with adjective phrase, the other one same thing is coming up with adjective clause for you all to understand in a proper view. Like the umbrella with a broken handle is mine. Here you can see with a which is a preposition, and this umbrella is identified that its handle is broken. So this part is doing the modifying the noun umbrella. So it is doing the work of adjective, though it is a phrase. So the same thing is coming up here. The umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Adjective clause, subject word is WH word. With its finite verb, it is has is there. Generally, an adjective clause modifies the antecedent noun which is going before it itself. So you can understand here. So there are mainly three kinds of an adjective clause. These are defining or restrictive adjective clause. Like this is the boy who came first in school. So this part is identifying the noun word and it is modifying that part. So it is doing the work of an adjective here. So it is the adjective clause, defining adjective clause. Likewise, the other one is non-defining, that is continuative. So you can find a sentence here. This is Tom, who is my neighbor. So generally you can see the non-defining clauses do not give essential information. Rather, it simply adds some useless information with the subject. As you can see, that subject is already defined. That noun is defined. That Tom is here. This is Tom, who is my neighbor. So this part is identifying, or you can say modifying this part. So it is a part doing the work of an adjective. Likewise, the third one is connective adjective clause. Like I passed the ball to Tom, who passed it to Dick, who gave it to Dolly. Like that. These three are the kinds of adjective clause today. For today, it is over now. You need to copy all from right beginning up to here, and later on we'll be meeting shortly tomorrow or day after. Okay, fine.